Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4. Prior to the series, I did the unboxing for the Nike Edition Series 3, and overall I really like that package design, so today I'm expecting nothing less. The Apple Watch Series 4 comes in a smaller white box with a Apple logo and the wording watch embedded on the box. As you open up the box, you'll see these colorful Apple Watch designs. I think doing this breaks up some of the white. It was definitely a smart choice. So on top of the main Apple Watch box, you will find the wristbands. The main box just features the Apple Watch Series 4 on top. Again, really clean and simple. Opening up the final box, you will see the Apple Watch itself, the charger, and the wall connect. And I like how it comes in a little protection pouch. It definitely feels rich and protected. So what do you guys think about the Apple Watch Series 4? Do you own one or plan on getting one? Comment below.